If you're a homeowner thinking about treating your asphalt shingles with Roof Maxx, you might be wondering one thing. Will Roof Maxx change how your roof looks? Roof Maxx can change the appearance of your roof, but that's not its primary purpose. And homeowners typically find any change that does occur to be an improvement. Here's what can change. In some cases, a Roof Maxx treatment can slightly darken your shingles, giving them a fresher, closer to new appearance. That darker shade usually fades gradually over the following months. The exact effect isn't the same for every home. It depends on the age, type, and condition of your shingles. But what Roof Maxx won't do is dramatically change your roof's color or make it look worse. Here's the thing though, changing your roof's appearance isn't really the point of Roof Maxx. The real reason to treat your roof is what happens beneath the surface. As asphalt shingles age, they lose the oils that keep them flexible and weather resistant. Roof Maxx replenishes those oils, restoring flexibility and durability to shingles that still have life left in them. If your roof is a strong candidate for maintenance with Roof Maxx, a single treatment can add 5 extra years of usable life at significantly less than the cost of a full replacement. A slightly fresher look is just a bonus. If you'd like to see what to expect, your local Roof Maxx dealer can walk you through real before and after examples and evaluate whether your roof is a good candidate for treatment. Find a dealer near you at roofmaxx.com.